6897. So unfortunately this ramp doesn't fit through here. It doesn't fit, so what we're gonna have to do is cut this one off too, because this one's not holding anything, so we're just gonna cut that one off. Right? Yeah, the knife is right here. If I threw the knife right there, I would have found it, not used this one, but it's okay. Take this one. And this one here. Right, now we have more space. Whoosh. Now we have more space. Alright, I'm gonna take this out and that bench does a good job of explaining me how to properly take everything out. So it looks like right, it's 125, so look at that. Oops, this ramp gets in the way, so I'm gonna have to cut this ramp off too. Alright, let's cut here. Alright, let's see where else. More in, right? I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a piece of tape in there you need to cut. Oh, it almost fell. Super close to losing it. Wait, that's a video 6897.